Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng roll pizza. Gagawin akong lamisa. Trying to make it flatten and even. And guys, first time ko gumawa nito. Ano lang to siya? Nakita ko lang sa YouTube. Oopsie. Nilabas kasi ang dough kaninang umaga. Kaya hindi siya dapat frozen dough kasi ito guys. Kaya gano'n. Oh. I'm trying to make it. Nilabas kasi ang dough kanina pa kaya hindi siya. Oops. May mga punit-punit. Trying to make it flat and thin. Pero ang dough, it's something in here to cover up and make it flatten. Ganito kailangan para hindi mo siya pwede pilitin. Ayan mo siya. Tap. Ito lang. Saan kaya ang kutsilyo natin? Nagtalim. Skip mo ang kutsilyo. Here's the knife. Use this knife later to make it even. Cut it in here and cover this thing. I'm gonna make it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 only. Tap mo lang natin to make it more. Hindi siya manipis kasi napupunit. A rectangle. Make it rectangle, guys. See me? Sorry, nahiya ako sa camera. It's a camera. I'm trying to make it good para hindi naman ako mapahiya sa inyo. First time ko lang gumawa nito kaya ang ingredients nito guys is like a dough, baby spinach, at saka gumawa na ako ng homemade na sauce which is very healthy. All vegetables like zucchini. Gagawa nga ako mamaya ulit yung galing kay Chef Jamie Oliver pasta sauce. Ginagawa ko rin yan. Yan ang ginagawa namin pang pasta sauce. or sa chicken. If we're going to make some chicken with chorizo. Kuha ako dito. Next time I will make it. I will make this double, guys. So later I will make it again. But this time, yung isang dough nilagay ko muna sa freezer para at least hindi ko to siya pwede i-rolling pin kasi didikit. Hindi naman tayo gagawa ng ano ng bread Kaya ganun lang siya, massage to pick it. Yeah, basta even na siya, parang flat or rectangle. Tapos i-roll natin yan. Okay, got it. 10. Okay, next. I'm gonna put some sauce. Nakaset na yung oven natin, ha. Ito yung sauce niya. Homemade ito. Hindi ito yung mabibili lang sa sa palengke. Ginawa ko talaga to. Yung siya. Tomato. Pero hindi ko siya, guys, hindi ko siya blender. Hinayaan ko lang siya na yung tomato may buo-buo. Tapos may basil, may oregano, may onion, may garlic. Yan siya. Tapos gawin niyo lang. Ito lang. Ganyan siya. Parang pizza lang din. Tapos i-roll natin. You will see it later. Yes. Ganun. See it like this. Make it spread all over the bread, the dough. Yeah. It's getting dark now. I put on the light. Yes. Okay, that's it. That's it. Our oven is already hot. And then we're gonna put some baby spinach. Sprinkle it with baby spinach. Baby spinach. Parang uulan Looks like it will rain. There's thunder. It looks like it will rain. Oh my god. I have laundry upstairs. And I have a lot of things to do. I will make fried rice for the kids, for the food next week. And then we're gonna put some mozzarella and sorry, use this. Sorry. Mozzarella. Kita ba? Oh. That is this side. Mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. This is Parmesan and mozzarella. So after we sprinkle our spinach, and then we can put some cheese, lots of cheese, so that it will cheesy. Kasi nga, okay, lots of cheese, and then after we put some more mozzarella, less lang yung Pag isang scoop, 1 cup ng mozzarella, half cup lang na na parmesan. Parmesan is a little bit salty, that's why. So that's it, guys. So we need to roll it up. We need to roll, make sure then make it roll slowly because the dough is so smooth. Yes. Yeah. Oopsie. That's it. Oops, my hands. There's cheese in it. Oh, come on. So we're gonna cut it half. 5 in here. 1. Oh. 1. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, I need to add more. So we need to put it in the pan. Hindi kami naglalagay guys ng ng oil. Nilagyan lang namin ng ganito para hindi lang siya dumikit. Ito siya. See that? Ito siya guys, pag naglagay. some cheese on the top. Little bit. That's it. So this is how it looks like, guys. See that? Okay. Ito na siya, guys. Ito na yung finished product niya after 20 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. That's it. Ito na siya, guys. We make 9 pieces of pizza rolls. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. God bless us all.